What's up, folks? So we're going to replace the power cord. The male plug. All we need is a razor blade, Phillips screwdriver, wire cutters, dikes, whatever you want to call them, and I'm using a pair of wire strippers. But you can use a razor blade or a knife. So first thing we're going to do, there's a kinked up spot right there. That's all jacked up. So cut that off. My razor blade. And I cut about 1.5 inches or so. If you need more, you can always do it. I like to fold that over. I don't like slicing my fingers open, so I'll go ahead and use wire cutter. Generally, you'll have a green, a white, and a black wire. Every now and then you'll run in different colors. It gets a little trickier. So, stripping off about 1/2 inch. Something like that. And just go ahead and give that a twist. Now this is on a Jenny scissor lift. This is a charger cord for the battery charger. It's exactly the same as an extension cord. You got a jacked up extension cord. Squished the end, you ran it over, it got fucked up. So now I'm pulling this particular type here. It's got these little bits. Pull that apart. Pull that apart. A lot of people screw up with that right there. What's up, homie? What you got going? The cord on this damn machine. Alright, so you got a gold screw, a green screw, and a silver screw. That's going to be the same on just about all of them. So the green for the green wire. The silver screw is for white. And the bronze color or gold screw is for the black. And there's a hole on the back side of that right there for each of the different colors. So I'll poke all 3 of them in that hole right there. I like to do all 3 of them at the same time. Just kind of hold it in. Tighten up the screws. That's good and secure. Now this is the exact same thing that you would do if you had the female plug. Alright, so now we're going to... You never want to have it plugged in the wall if you're doing that. So then there's those. Now these different ends cost different dollar amounts. This is a kind of a higher end one. Probably cost you, shit, you have about $10 or so. Oh, sorry about that. Couldn't see. So then you got your little clamp. That's basically all that is. It's a clamp. And that holds that power cord in so it don't get pulled out again. The But you can get these as cheap as, you know, $2 or $3. A lot cheaper than buying you a brand new extension cord. And there it is. Alright. Till next time. Oh, I'm going to try to up my ante on these videos a little bit more. I do shit all day, every day. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.